So, good day, sir. This is my activity 2. I will put numbers under the number 1. 3, 5, 7, 8. Number 2. 5, 9, 6, 2. Then, I will add this. Formula equals E2 plus B2, then enter, the result is 8. The next equals E3 plus B3, then enter, equals 14. The next equals E4 plus B4, then enter. The next equals A5 plus B5, then enter. Then this is the result. Then now I will total the all cell 1. So I will drag the mouse into the bottom and press the totals, then sum. So this is the result, 23. Then next, totals, then sum. The result is 22. Then cell 3, totals, then the result is 45. That's all, sir. Thank you.